welcome to an algebra tutorial working our way through linear equations. In this video, we're going to learn how to write point-slope equations if all you're given is the slope and a point for the line to go through. So here we go. We want to write an equation of a line in point-slope form that has a slope of negative 6.3 and goes to the point negative 33 for an x value and 10 for the y value. So let's just review. Point-slope form, if you remember, is y minus y1. y1 is my specific y value from a point, equals m times x minus x1. So my y value is a variable right there. That x is a variable, my independent variable. So we always got to have my variables. That's the whole point of the equation, is relating two variables together. But then you have a specific point, specific y value from a point, and a specific x value from a point. And finally, we need to know the slope. That's my value for m. Okay, so we know what we're given, so this problem actually is just a matter of substituting things into the right place and understanding just kind of how it all works. So if my slope is negative 6.3, to write a point-slope form equation, I'm going to put the negative 6.3 in place for the m value. That's what the m value represents. Let's put that in there. Negative 6.3. Now I'm going to open my parentheses up because I'm going to have it in that form right there. Oops, switched to the wrong color. There we go. So I'm going to make my x variable. That x variable stays x because I need to know my x variable. But I'm going to subtract from it this value x1. That's the x value from my point. So if this is my point right here, my x1, my specific x value is negative 33. And my specific y value that I'm going to put in for y1 is 10. So I'm going to put in negative 33 in for x. I'm going to use parentheses because it just helps me remember I got x minus whatever my x1 value is. But if my x1 value is a negative, then I have x minus a negative number. So I got that negative in there because negatives can be tricky. So I got it separated with parentheses. It's an equal sign. It's a relationship, a linear equation. And now I need to have y minus whatever specific y value, which we already saw is 10. So I'm going to have y minus 10. So yeah, there you go. It's very color-coded. It's like a rainbow, but you know, you get the whole point. It's writing a point-slope equation. We use our slope, we use our point, and we just put things in the right value depending on what we're looking for. We didn't put anything in for this x or y value because I still need my variables to show that relationship. I'm still going to substitute values in. This is still an equation I could use. I could make a table. I could put in x or y values. I could solve for x and y. I could graph this thing. But there you go. There we wrote a point-slope form equation.